Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the importance of August 23 and this was supposed to be done yesterday, but yesterday the Chandrayaan landing and other things, and also I got busy. Today's episode of editorial, which is already out, please watch this episode. This is an excellent editorial. Okay, today's usually I tell there are some articles which simply the Hindu for namesake they put some articles, but today 4 articles are there. All 4 are important for your exam. Okay, and very detailed fashion I have covered, 30 to 40 minutes it is. Please watch that. Okay, and make notes also. Direct question will come in your mains, and it's a total package. Okay, your static plus dynamic, everything beyond the Hindu also I have gone and done research and done work for you. Please watch this episode. It's a very big loss if you don't watch this. Okay, if you're a serious aspirant, I recommend you to watch this video. It's already there on our YouTube. Okay, so now going to this today's importance, August 23's importance. Okay, so first thing is International Day for Remembrance of the Slave Trades and its Abolition. Okay, last few days if you see, August 20, 19, 21, everything was this kind of day. Okay, like one is victim of terrorism, one is victim of some discrimination, now again slave trade and abolition. So these kind of days are all in August mid. Okay, then August 23, Black Ribbon Day, or the European Day of Remembrance for victims of, again, Stalinism and Nazism. Okay, so this Nazism is Germany, Stalin is Russia. So that when we teach you World War and all, that time you will remember all these things. Okay, world history. Then the most important, yesterday, August 23, 2023, India became the first country to soft land on the south pole of the moon. Okay, and it is the 4th country ever to land anywhere on the moon. Okay, like Russia, USA and China has already landed, but not in south pole. In other places they have soft landed. Japan has failed, Israel has failed, many countries have failed. Okay, so we have soft landed it, and that's a very big achievement. Again, in my editorials yesterday and today, in detail I have covered the entire thing. Okay, so now August 23rd, 1947 is when Vallabhbhai Patel, our Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is like a Statue of Unity, you know, it came, unifier of India. In post-independence India, you will learn that he united many places which were not ready to merge, or they were confused whether to go to India or Pakistan. That time he united all of them. Okay, let it be Hyderabad, let it be Junagadh in Gujarat area, Kashmir, many places are there. Okay, so his appointment as the deputy prime minister. Those days we had a prime minister, president, vice president, and also a deputy prime minister. The reason was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the one who was actually the provinces elections, if you take, and the recommendations and people's favorite, it was actually Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. But Gandhi's lineage, you know, it was towards Nehru, because of his again Nehru's alignment as towards the British and to Russia, and the like more, you can tell personality wise, or I'm not telling anything bad about Sardar Vallabhbhai, but the Gandhi's point of view. Okay, he need a more kind of a person like Nehru than Vallabhbhai Patel, who was deserving, who actually should have become. So they made a prime minister and a deputy prime minister. It went like, I think the next time also, when the next prime minister came and next deputy was there, but later it was discontinued. Okay, now we don't have that post. Now we have only one prime minister. So that again is maybe a small polity learning for you. It's written there in your Lakshmikant also. So this is the importance of this day. He was appointed as the deputy prime minister. Okay, he was also the first home minister of India. Now, August 23, 1944 is the day when Romania, a country in the Europe, you can go and check the map. Romania switched sides in the World War. World War II. They were actually fighting in one side, in Germany and other people's team. They changed side and then they fought along with the Soviet side. Okay, because they lost in some other in the battle before that, so they immediately took better to go and stand with the stronger player. They went and switched side to the Soviet Union. Then 1966, on the same day, the world received the first view of the Earth. Okay, meaning from a spacecraft, you take a photo of the Earth in the vicinity of the moon. That photo was transmitted to Earth by the Lunar Orbiter 1, and NASA received it. This first image from the Earth moon kind of image, you got it on 1966 August 23. Then 1990, Armenia declares independence from the Soviet Union. Okay, so Republic of Armenia was established later. The independence actually was on August 23, 1990. Same like this, that time, you know, 1991, USSR, Soviet Union, broke into many countries. Around 16 countries it broke off. So each country's independence day is around the same time only. Okay, I think tomorrow it will be Uruguay or something. This thing you will see in tomorrow's episode. It will be Uruguay's independence day. Today is Armenia's independence day. Like that, many people got in that area got independence around the same August month of 1990 and 1991. Okay, so this is the important things for today. Now, if you are a very serious aspirant, I told you, watch my editorials daily, which is free of cost. Buy my current affairs or the full prelims test series package. you will pass prelims and mains. Okay, this is a guarantee if you study this, not like you purchase and pile it up along with all your materials. If you properly study Vysh IAS materials, if you properly watch all our daily videos, you will pass UPSC in the very first attempt. Okay, you have to do this. You have to practice questions, you have to practice prelims as well as mains answer writing, and then you have to watch the daily content. Then your GS 1 to 4 gets covered. This and all if you do, you should ideally pass. So please WhatsApp me if you have not yet enrolled to this. The offer price are ending. That is why I'm stressing. Okay, else it will be there throughout the year. These things will be there, but the offer prices will be there for only festival season. So please come and WhatsApp me, and all my test series students, that is the prelims plus mains complete package students, will get free of cost some of our goodies which we'll announce on Gandhi Jayanti, and for others also at a nominal price it will be available for purchase also. Okay, so come and contact me. The WhatsApp number is given. Now tomorrow we'll do the next episode also. So thank you and have a nice day.